top of the best video. In this video, we will teach you if someone grab you from behind in street fight, then how to defend yourself immediately. This is new technique and very effective technique, and don't miss this video if you want to learn this technique. If an enemy grab you like this way and lift you up in this position, guys, if you want to learn this technique, then don't miss any part of this video, otherwise you can't learn. So let's start. As soon as he lift you up, then you have to immediately grab his ear. Grab in this position, or you can grab also like this and pull it hard as he feel pain, and he will lower a little bit. When his head down, then at the same time you have immediately tighten his head with your both hand like this way. Step number 3, keep your right leg back in this position and push him down like this way, as you can see in the video, and grab his neck tightly. Guys, now we'll show you this technique from the side angle so you can understand better. Let's this position. Step 1, this. Step 2, down. 3, this. Leg back and turn down. This. Guys, hope you like this video, and if you want to learn more interesting videos, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share video with your friends. Thank you.